Hey guys, it is now Saturday. I'm filming this on my phone. I don't know where the thing is. I think it's right there because my camera is totally dead from filming last night. So I still don't feel very good. I think I mentioned that about my eye. That's why I still have my glasses on. I don't think it was pink eye. This is the first time I've put like any makeup on my eyes, but I'm still kind of afraid to put my contacts in. So I wanted to just film really quickly. Behind me is all the Christmas stuff. Colby pulled it out for me this morning. I did go into the office for a bit. I needed to print, I can't talk. I needed to print labels for all of those shirts that I did last night. I did just get another, guys, oh my God. Oh, can you tell I don't film on my phone much anymore? Anyway, I needed to, there's a ladybug. I needed to print labels for all of those. I took them to the post office. I've got another big shipment that just showed up, so I've got more shirts I'm gonna do later, but Colby didn't go into work this morning, but he is DJing tonight. So he pulled out all of my Christmas stuff. You guys see, I'll do a walk around in just a second. So I'm kind of like gathering the fall stuff on the table so I can pack it all up. But this year's gonna be different because of Aspen. She destroys everything. And not even just like tears stuff up, but she's so big and our backyard it gets very muddy and she digs. So, all of my stuff that's white, like hang on, let me go ahead. Oh my God, I'm sorry. Let me go ahead and show you guys. Like these fall pillows, I'm just gonna throw out. You can see she's ruined them. She's ruined like 3 or 4, maybe more comforters at this point. I've tried to wash them and I just can't get it out. So we keep having to get new ones. We have just been buying I should restart. I should film this part over, but I'm not going to. I don't feel well enough and I really just want to get this done. I'm not going to film this video the way that I normally do these every year where I really like show everything. I need to deep clean as I do this. I still don't feel good. You can probably hear I'm still very stuffed. I do have on one of the shirts from the shop. This is one of my favorites. I adore this. Anyway, so I've got this stuff. It's out. I don't know what I'm going to be able to put out though. I'm even afraid about the tree. She's never seen one, I don't think. When did we get her? I think we got her in February, so my stuff wouldn't have been out still. She's very like rambunctious, so I'm afraid about putting any breakable ornaments on the tree. I'm afraid she might just knock the entire tree over. But the like tree skirt is white. The pillows I have are velvet and white, so I don't know. I'm gonna go through stuff and see what I'm gonna put out, but instead of doing like a big thing like I normally do, I'm just gonna show you guys after. I may get me doing the tree, but yeah, so everything is out. Like I said, I do also need to deep clean this house as I'm going. I've got some stuff here. I've already kind of cleared out some of this area. You guys can see this has been cleared out. And then, yeah, all of that. But I'm sorry that I'm not filming the whole thing. It's just this particular video always takes me so long, and it takes me so long to decorate because I'm constantly like redoing the camera and everything, and also the camera battery is dead to start with. So I will update you guys, and I'll hopefully be able to set up at least to get maybe me doing the tree. I don't have any of my outdoor stuff. He didn't pull that. I might go do it later, but I might wait a bit for that. It is still, today's the 6th, which for me is actually a bit late to decorate, but I might wait on the outdoor stuff. But yeah, I will update you guys in a bit. Okay guys, I have my camera now. I am overwhelmed. I did change because I'm burning up. So this is what I've gotten done so far. I don't know how to show you guys. So I've got the tree back in this corner. It is not decorated yet, but it is set up. Normally I do garland by the television. I'm not going to do that because I think she's going to yank it. We've got the stockings here. I'm going to have to get another one. And after I do that, I will probably move them to in front of those panes. I didn't do that last year because it would have been uneven. But now since we'll have 4, I'll probably go ahead and move them. got some stuff here. I just feel like I'm not gonna do as much as I normally do. So I normally do the garland as well all along the top of the kitchen. I'm not gonna do that because that falls a lot and it's just kind of a pain. So I don't think I'm gonna do that this year. I mean, unless Colby gets home and is like, where is everything? I've got this set up mostly over here. There's still a couple of things I need to do. That's gonna be moved. We're gonna do that little tree there instead. That picture hung up. We've got this frame here. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that there. This is still holding some stuff, but I do have my runner up with those 3 trees. I don't know what I'm doing with that sign. I actually think it goes over there now that I'm looking at it. This is all fall stuff. I've got a couple of things in here. Look at baby Ozzy in front of the tree. Ugh. A couple of things in there, and then I started on this, but I've got to move some stuff. I do have the top half of it done. And then I don't like having anything on my island. Normally it really bothers me. I did get this bowl when I was in Disney and it has been sitting here full of acorns. I think I'm gonna put some like sparkly pine cones in there. I don't know where I put this. I've got that. Nothing else is done in the kitchen yet. And then this is sitting here because I need to figure out where I'm gonna put that. Aspen is just done. Very overwhelmed. Sweet girl. But these pillows I normally put out, I'm not gonna be able to do that because she's gonna destroy those. I've just got stuff kind of everywhere. Let me show you. So in the bathroom here, the only thing I've got up is that little tree. This is the guest bath. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else unless I find some more like decorative towels. Then I did put this here just because I don't really know what else to do with it. I think it normally goes on the dining room table, but for right now, I think it's uneven. I'm gonna leave it here. I do need to get some candles to go in it. Ignore the mess. So I do have these 2 trees in here, but they're gonna probably move. Other than that, I'm not really gonna decorate unless, again, I find more decorative towels, which I do have. Just don't know where they are. So I don't go like all out normally in the bedroom. I would really like to get a small tree to put in the bedroom or in the office. And by small, I mean like 4 or 5 feet. But I probably won't, especially because of her. What else? That's really all that I've done so far. And I just think though a lot of this stuff is gonna end up going back under the house because like all of this garland, this is all for the tree. And then I don't know, I made these and they're kind of falling apart right now, but I made those a couple of years ago and I don't know where I'm gonna put them unless I put them on the nightstands. We've got these 2 little trees. I might put those in the office, although I really don't want anything with glitter to go in there because I don't want it to end up on the shirts. That thing I may end up putting in the center here or in the center. Actually, it probably will go in the center of the coffee table. I've got this. And it lights up and stuff. I don't know. I don't know. I got very overwhelmed at first and now I'm just feeling like I want all of this stuff moved away, like all of the boxes and stuff, but I don't think I can carry it under the house right now. Getting the tree up was actually pretty simple. We moved it last year. I don't think I showed you guys. It normally would go right here where the dog's water and food is, but last year and every year, that was always very in the way. So last year I said to Colby, do you think we could fit it in that corner by the television? And he said no, and I said, okay, well, let's try. And we moved it completely decorated over into that corner, and it actually works. So I love it over here. It is out of the way. It's within viewpoint of like when you're sitting on the couch, and I like that you can see it from kind of outside. I need to find like the star that goes over there. He didn't bring everything up. And then some stuff is like in the closet of my closet. I put like some of the more fragile stuff up there so it doesn't get broken when it gets moved up and down from downstairs. So I think I'm gonna take a break. I think I'm gonna take the dogs really quickly. Ozzy won't come out. I ran out of memory space. Anyway, Aspen is not really thrilled with what's going on either. She's pretty scared. So I think we're gonna take a break, go for a walk, come back, finish this. Colby is gone tonight, so that means I have all night to do whatever I want. That's my favorite. And I normally get a bottle of wine and sit down and like watch TV and just kind of have like a relaxed night. But I think tonight I'm gonna be finishing this because once I'm done, I need to go in and deal with the floors and just a few other things. But I think I'm also gonna press shirts tonight because I got 2 big boxes, or well, I got 1 big box and 2 big bags that came today, and there's another one that's supposed to be coming. Look at this. Honey. Is she overwhelmed? Poor thing. Anyway, so this is what the couch is looking like. I've already mentioned it, but she has destroyed this couch. Like, I don't know how well it's gonna, yeah, you can see that. It is so dirty. I have tried everything to clean it. I can't clean it. It doesn't happen. So this is the worst part because this is where she normally likes to lay. So I've been covering it. If anybody has an idea about a way to cover it, my hair looks so silly right now because my glasses, a way to cover it, or anything that might clean it better. I swear though, I've tried everything that I've seen that was like a fabric cleaner and nothing is taking it out, which is odd to me because the reason I bought this couch was because it wasn't supposed to stain, and Rowan has dumped a bottle of red wine on this couch and I've gotten that out without issue. So I don't understand. It needs to be replaced, but because she's still a baby and because we do plan on moving within the next few years, hopefully, I'm gonna wait. We need to get leather, I think, so that we can wipe it off. But yeah, that was my update. When I come back, I don't know if I'm gonna do the tree tonight. Maybe I will. It just depends on how I feel. I'm not feeling great. So I want to get everything out of my way before I like start working on that. I need everything else to go where it's gonna go. But yeah. Aspen, baby girl, do you want to go for a walk? You want to go for a walk? Is it time? Is it? Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Ah! What did you just wipe on me? Oh my Aspen! Aspen! She doesn't like, look at this. She's like hanging on to me. Aspen, honey. Okay, we'll go. Ozzy, baby, where are you? Anyway, we're gonna go walk. Okay, we're gonna go walk. And then I will update you guys on whatever I get done when I get back. Yeah? Okay, bye. It is now Saturday the 20th, and look who's here! Britton from Bean Sprout Paper Co. is here. And Colby's here with the dog. Anyway, so I can't show you guys really what we're doing. Like, it's a surprise. I'm gonna have to blur this now, probably. Oops. But we are doing the Advents. So we are doing the Advent calendars, and don't you're making me laugh, stop. We're doing the Advent calendars, so I just wanted to show. I was gonna try to set this up somewhere so that I could kind of get us doing it, but it's gonna spoil it, don't you think? Yeah, okay, so I just wanted to show everybody Britton's here. I do still need to decorate the tree, and then this vlog will go up, and that's it. Okay, bye. Everyone's looking at me, bye. Good morning, everyone. It is now Monday, November 22nd, and I'm getting ready to press shirts. I did get quite a few pressed last night that are gonna be going out today, but I need to finish a lot more. And today I'm gonna be doing a lot of the screen prints, so I thought I would show you guys that. The lighting in here is really bad. It's very icky and rainy outside today. But I am going to, first of all, let me show you the new thing that I got. So I purchased a Cameo 4. This is it. And I've had Cameos in the past for stickers, but I'm just not a fan of them for stickers. But for shirts, I wanted to be able to cut larger. Most of the screen prints that I'm doing are about a 12 by 12, so I wanted to be able to do that in vinyl. This makes that possible. Not every design needs to be that big, but what I didn't realize is that this machine actually comes with a place to put in a roll of vinyl and feed it through so that you don't even have to use a mat, which is wonderful. My vinyl is not 12 by 12. I've been using a, maybe an 8 by 12 or a 10 by 12 because I've been doing portraits. But with this one, I'm gonna purchase the larger vinyl. I'll be able to feed it straight through, and that will be wonderful. It will make my life way easier. So I wanted to show you guys that really quickly, but Heat Press just beeped that it was ready. So I'm gonna go ahead, get started. We have got a pretty full stack right now. There's more down there. There's another box I'm gonna be picking up from Mom's. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys as I get to the screen prints. I'll kind of like stop the speed through, show you guys what those are looking like. I am so excited to do some of these. I'm still waiting on 2 more screen print orders, but once those get here, all of the pre-orders will ship. Those did have up to a 3-week processing, and that's why I did that, was just because they take so long to get here. But let's get started.
Through the hard times, you were right there. And even through my struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you were. You love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave. Never leave, never leave. Never leave, never leave, And I promise you I'll never leave. You were right there, and even through my struggle, you stand by me. When I was alone, when I felt hurt, you came into my life and I will show you what you were. You love me, you believe in me, and I'll give you my best. And I promise you that I will never leave. Never leave, never leave. Never leave, never leave, And I promise you I'll never leave.
So these are some of the screened shirts, and I am so in love with how these turned out. I meant to kind of show in the video, like to stop and show you guys how these were turning out, but this is an on white. Love it on white. I also really like it on the gray though. We have so many of these Griswold shirts, and I've actually got more in the box down below me, but like, oh, don't fall. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Let me put these on the table really quick. So we've had this one as well, this Merry and Bright. Look at the colors. Like, I am so in love. There's just a bunch more behind this one, I believe. And then the one at the very back is the one that I'm currently wearing. Also, the Peloton is being used to hang shirts for right now. But yeah, I am just completely in love with how these are turning out. These particular screens for the Griswold ones were from a different screen print company, and they are so soft. I'm still waiting on screens from a few other places that were for the pre-orders, as well as some that I've ordered to offer in the shop. But I think I may end up sticking with this person depending on how the others feel, just because of how soft these feel. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. I will have our Black Friday sale stuff going up tomorrow on a video, and I'll talk to you guys then. Bye, guys.